Oh, so you know what? I'm sore today. Yep, and this table or the camera, one of the two is not straight. One of the ways. That way maybe? Hey, that's better. I get that little screen there. Okay, there we go. Maybe. I think. I can't tell. Whatever, doesn't matter. Today we're looking at this right here. It's the Blitzwolf BW-WA2 20-watt wireless Bluetooth speaker, dual passive diaphragm, TWS NFC soundbar with mic. Yeah, this right here. So we're going to take a look at the Banggood website, which is where it came from, and then we'll crack open the box and we'll give it a sound test, see what we think. And it says it has a mic, so maybe I can actually do a mic test. Yeah. Okay, so currently right now, pretty much 5 stars, 4.9, it's close enough. 740 reviews. Okay, here's a bunch of their specs in case you are wondering. It does say it has a 4,000 milliamp battery, which is going to, of course, power it, and you can plug like your phone and stuff into it. So if you're running low on your phone's battery, you can charge that. NFC, so supposedly after it's paired, if you have an NFC on your phone, then it kind of knows whatever phone gets closest, that's the one it's supposed to connect with. Portable to carry. Here's all the specs. Has some waterproofing, which is nice, right? Excellent stereo sound, emergency power supply, right? NFC IP66. Now, I wouldn't be submerging this, but if it gets caught out in the rain, it should be fine. You can connect 2 of them, as long as they're within 10 meters of each other. That's all right. 20 watt, 360 sound. Yeah. Superior 4,000 carry stuff. Has a little rope. Is that it? Hanging oxhide rope. That's cool. And there's your little ports, right? Auxiliary port, charging port, power bank port, and there's your physical sizes. Cool. I like it. That's cool. This is it right here. So it comes in the standard green box, which is what you see all the Blitzwolf stuff come in. So it wasn't expected that it would look any different. This has got to crack open somehow. You can tell what I'm doing these earlier in the morning because my coordination is not near as good. I'm surprised I don't just stab myself sometimes. Not like intentionally, but I mean like, just because nothing's working. Like me being able to take this box apart. Here we go. Okay, so what does we get? We get, number one, we get here a box with, so you do get your, all right, that's good. You get your 3.5 millimeter, your headphone. This is going to be for any of your auxiliary stuff that you want to plug into it. It's going to be your charger cable, so USB-A to USB-C for your charging. Good size, both of them actually good sizes. There's going to be your user manual right there. Wow, small fonts, but it's a Bluetooth speaker. My guess is it's not going to be that hard to set up. The only thing will be pairing, but we'll figure that out. Other than that, though, I like the length of the cables. Cable length is excellent. Stick those back in there somehow. Okie dokie. And then we get the speaker. Okay, speaker. Okay, comes with it's a decent size. You guys can see, right? The size. That's all right. Put it up against my hands. There we go. So there we are. Wherever I am, right there. Yeah, that's okay. It's good size. There's that, what do they call it? Is it cowhide or something hide? Rawhide? Little strap? You know what? I'm a fan of black and the kind of leathery brown look. I'm a fan of that. So there's the, you guys can see it, there's the like little silicone feet, silicone feet, front and rear firing, I'm guessing. There's your Bluetooth, there's your Blitzwolf, your logo on it. There's going to be your base, I guess, on both sides. Nice. On the top, of course, is all your controls, wherever I am right there. There's all of our controls. So I'm guessing power, something mode is probably going to switch between like auxiliary Bluetooth, go through your songs, power up. And this is a button for, my guess would be battery, my guess. On the back, under, and it's nice because it does have a good, pretty decent seal. Like that's you guys see that? Like that's pretty thick, right? Where that's going in to seal it. So again, I would say good for a splash, but it's decent. It's okay. It's all right. It doesn't have a click or anything when it gets in there. It's just kind of friction in there. So yeah, I would say with rain it'd be okay. Headphone jack, USB charger, and USB-A. So yeah, that's good. That's all right. How do we turn it on? I'm guessing it's this one here, the power button. Ready? Let's see, we get anything? Fairly loud. That is for sure. I'm going to spin this way. Maybe you guys, hopefully we can see everything here. Just kind of put that there. Let's go into our settings. So settings, wherever those are. Settings here. And bring up Bluetooth because it's flashing. So I'm guessing it's in that. There it is, right there. BW-WA2. Paired. That's easy. Super easy. If we go into the info, nothing there. It just says it's a speaker. All right, down. So first off, does it control? Like if I hit my volume, yeah. So all that comes up. You can see it's connected, right? That's good. It's going to go forward. What is the M? Does M do anything? If it does, I don't know what it does. And my battery's about to die. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Anyways, I can't remember what I was doing. Oh yeah, so I got a power button flashing. What happens when you tap that? Nothing really happens. I'm guessing if you hold it, of course, it's going to go down. Plus, minus, they do control. Let's I don't know, let's find some music, shall we? So let's go on here. And I gotta find music that's playable. So I'm gonna do this. Bear with me. I'm just gonna pick, I've even got like wedding songs, right? Video game songs, on hold, podcast, vlog. Let's go this vloggy song. Okay. I don't know. It's loud. Okay. So you can see when I'm doing the volume here. Oh, it's got some pump to it for sure. And I'm at what? Like, you guys see that? Like I'm not loud at all. Low end's good. All right, let's try a different one. Let's see here. Asian chill hip hop. It's actually got pretty good sound out of this. Like for a little speaker, I don't even want to turn it up loud. Like I'm at like about 50% right now. Let's see what it kicks in here. Oh, the low end's actually decent. Yeah, surprisingly better than I thought it was going to be for a speaker of this price. Oh yeah, and like you can, I don't know if you guys can see it. See the little sub going? Right? And one on this side too. Alright. That's alright. And then let's last but not least, put some positive rock. Yeah. Now, it says 360 sound. I don't think there's any sound coming out of the back. If there is anything coming out of the back, it's kind of hard to tell. It's definitely front facing and side because of the back, the bass. I don't think the back actually has a speaker. No. So it's not actually coming out of the back. It does say 360 sound, so my thought would have been back, but it's definitely front and side, which kind of still envelops all around. So still pretty good though. That's all right. While this is on, let's bring up Filmic so that we can see if we can actually record from the mic that's on here. Oh, turn the noise right down. So it is. You can hear the latency. We're going to turn that off. Let's turn the volume right down. So you can see here, I'll bring this up here, right? When we're doing our audio, it says iPhone. So we're going to see, do we have any other options? Oh wait, Bluetooth. Here we go. Bluetooth. There they are. BW-WA2. All right, we're going to again turn the volume down here because we don't want to monitor it. And I'm going to hit record and see if this actually functions. Just Okay, so now I'm actually recording from I'm recording from my iPhone, but I'm recording from the Blitzwolf speaker. So my hope is that it's actually picking it up. Now there may be a tiny bit. I have it turned on a little bit. Maybe that's better. There may be just you getting a little bit of an echo because of the fact that it is actually, you can hear a little bit out of the speaker, even when I have my volume all the way down. But hopefully the microphone is picking up okay. The meters show that the microphone should be picking up okay. There's your test of the mic. And you guys can see in this camera here how far the actual mic or the speaker is from me. So hopefully that'll give you a bit of an idea. I'm going to stop. All right, guys. You know what? It's cool. It's, you know what? I love the little design. It's really, it's not overly heavy, which is nice. I do love the size of it because if you're using this like for travel or even like for me, I may actually use this upstairs because I could line into it and use it as my speaker for upstairs when I'm working because I wanted a little bit of a nicer speaker. I also like the fact that it doesn't really have much for light up. It just has this little blue light that's flashing, and that's kind of it, you know. I like the fact that we can plug in stuff, and this is really good too for those of us that are like traveling or you're camping or just outdoors or whatever it is. You can get caught in the rain if you're at the beach. If it gets a little splash on it, it should be fine. And if you're listening to music for whatever, a couple of hours, there's a good chance maybe that your phone dies. So you can plug it in here and also give your phone a boost. So that's cool. And like I said, sound quality is good. I haven't had a chance to listen to the mic. You guys have heard it, so I'll let you make up your mind in regards to that. But at time of filming right now, this speaker is coming in at about $45 US. So, you know what? It sounds like it could be a really good option for a lot of people. I'm guessing right there, I didn't even notice it. I'm guessing right there, that's your battery indicator. See it right there? It's got 2 out of 3 dots. I'm guessing that's the charge. And hold it. Wrong donk. Alright guys, I'm going to link down to Banggood's site if you're interested in the Blitzwolf. And that's it for today. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.